If you can sell your brother, the buyer has got no reason to trust you. I always tell my son that I'm the richest man in the world. And he says, Dad, what do you mean? I say, I only know my bank balance. I don't know any other person's bank balance. I hear about them, people saying this one is rich. I don't care. Mine, I'm fine. I don't want to know any other person's bank balance. After knowing it, what must I do with it? I don't care who's got which car. After knowing, what must happen? I must buy that which my heart desire, not because I compete with someone else. Because competition is what is going to land us into trouble. Pace, move at your own pace, do not compete, be a trendsetter. When you do that, you have no pressure.